everyone. Cheers! Congratulations to Gush Professional Skincare.
The Gush Professional Skincare is different from many other competitors because we have used the newest technology with ingredients which is very environment friendly, and it's not only the ingredients, it's also the formulation. It has the newest technology that the human being knows, and then it's very important for us too that we have different packaging, a much smarter packaging with pumps, airless pumps. We have nicer decoration. We have information on the product which is quite easy for everybody to understand. There's specific 3 products that we would like to mention, and I will like Ms. Hanne to explain about them.
Thank you. The first product I would like to emphasize is the all-day moisture serum, which we expect will be one of the top sellers here in Hong Kong as other places in the world. It's a tightening cream. It's a serum that you put underneath your normal regular foundation. It gives an instant lifting effect, and it moisturizes the skin. It has a 24-hour what do you call it? 24-hour protection. Yeah. Another product that has already become a star product is for your eyes only. It's an eye cream that reduces the puffiness and the dark circles that you tend to have around your eyes. It also have a lifting ingredient as one of the main raw materials. We have a complete line of cleansers as well. One of the more popular ones is Lift Off the Day. It's a waterproof eye makeup remover. In Gush Cosmetics we have a lot of waterproof eye makeup products, and it takes them off instantly. You shake the 2 faces together, you put it on a piece of cotton, you leave it on the eyelid for 10 seconds, and then you can wipe it off. Even our very waterproof eye products like Extreme Art Eyeliner, it's able to remove in a very short time. Another new and exciting product, it's a novelty from Gush, is Make a Clean Start. It's a 2-in-1 cleanser. It's also, you shake the product, you put it on a piece of cotton, and it cleanses the face as well as tones the face in one go. So you don't have to use your regular toners afterwards. So it's a quick solution for a good cleansing of the skin.
I also think it's worth to mention that all the creams, the face creams except the night cream, are with sun protection factor. So everybody using the creams are protected against the sun.